This is what I was fucking born to do. Knicks, let's go. Let's go. Everybody in the club, fuck it up right now. Fuck it up right now. Fuck it up right now. Everybody in the club, fuck it up right now. Fuck it up right now. Fuck it up right now. What? Hold up. It's your boy Lil Jon, right? We're trying to take this thing to another level. Let's go. I found you in this new boy. Get it together, bring it back to what? I found you in this new boy. What? I found you in this new boy. What? I found you.
Like a cinnamon, so sweet from the thighs to the cheek. Sex on the beach, check the size of my meat. Call me the butcher, ludicrous king, ding-a-ling, sheep smusher, sweet street pusher. Give me that pusher, nasty stuff. I took her, ran out of looker. Time to re-up. Here comes her nigga. Who gives up? Rap fame and black bangs, they can't hang. I mac dames and pack things and act strange. Ding-a-ling, oh no, they can't stop. Take it to the floor, back up and then drop. Professing, time's of the essence. Make them undress in less than 3 seconds. Sorors keep stepping, keep slobbing. Sex as a weapon, clothes that I slept in. Streets keep mobbing, thieves keep robbing. Get 2 in your butt, 3 to your noggin. Creeping and crawling.